Hello guys, welcome back to Fresh Bee. So in today's video, we will be talking about a latest off-campus placement opportunity from Thinkative. So in this video, we will be talking about all the things one should know before applying for this opportunity. So we will discuss all the things such as the eligibility criteria for this job, the skills required, about the job description, about the educational qualifications, the location, the CTC they are offering. So we will be discussing about all these things in a detailed manner. So please, I request you all to not skip the video in between and watch the video till the end. And if you are new to the channel, then please let me tell you about FresherBee. So in FresherBee, I upload all the videos regarding latest off-campus placement opportunities from various MNCs and for various locations across India, and I make videos regarding the recruitment process for those companies, and I make also videos regarding the tips and tricks for the interview and the probable interview questions videos regarding that. So I make, so please, if you are new to the channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to FresherBee so that you can get all the latest updates very quickly when I upload videos regarding the off-campus opportunities or any other technical stuff. So please don't forget to subscribe to FresherBee. So let's move forward with the today's video, that is about Thinkative Technology off-campus placement drive. So Thinkative is hiring for the position of a trainee software engineer. So here they have given a kind of a job description. So Thinkative is a leading technology company providing world-class solutions to clients all over the world. We are currently hiring for the freshers in Pune who are aspiring to launch a career in the IT industry. So they are hiring for the location Pune. So there is only one location they are hiring for, that is Pune, and the eligibility criteria for the same is all the BTech holders, ME, MTech holders in computer science, information technology or MCA, and the passing out years will be 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. So these are the 4 batches which are eligible for this opportunity from Thinkative. So next they have mentioned the skills required. So in skills we'll see all the skills one by one. So the very first skill is strong communication and interpersonal skills, and the second one is problem solving approach, third one is software development, fourth one is programming, fifth one is data structures, and sixth one is front end knowledge. So these are the total 6 skills they have mentioned here which they are expecting from their candidate. And talking about the job description, so here they have given a kind of number of points. So we'll go through all these points one by one. So the points are like strong problem solving skills. One should be a quick learner. Candidate should have good knowledge of logical and designing concepts. Fundamental C, CPP and OOPS concepts is must. Knowledge of HTML, JavaScript and CSS is required. Front end frameworks like Foundation or Bootstrap is expected, and good to have knowledge of Spring and Angular framework, good understanding of JavaScript, familiarity with databases, defect fixing and performance optimization. So these are the things they are expecting from their candidates who are willing to apply for this opportunity from Thinkative. So next, talking about the interview process. So very firstly they'll conduct a online assessment test, and those who clear the first online assessment test will be shortlisted for the technical interview, that is L1 technical interview, and those who clear this L1 technical interview will be shortlisted for the L2 technical interview, and those who clear all these interviews they will be finally selected for the managerial and the logical round interview, and after that they'll conduct the HR round. So this is the total 4-step process for the interview for Thinkative. So as we have seen complete information about the company and the job description, the eligibility criteria, so now we will see how one can actually apply for this opportunity. So if you are willing to apply, so I will put this website's link in the description box of the video. So if you are willing to read all this information once again, so you can go to the description box and you will find the link there. From there you can just go and read all this information. And even if you are willing to apply, just click on that link, go through all this information and click here on the apply now button. So if you are willing to apply for this opportunity, so I have already mentioned the link required for the same in the description box of the video, so you can directly go and that link and read all the information they have provided here. And for applying, just click on the apply now tab. There you will see, so after clicking there you will see a page like this, like a Google form you have to fill. Just go through all the information they have mentioned here. Here they have given information about the company, and next they have given a kind of a important note, like we'll see that too. This position is only for the fresher candidates who are available to join immediately. So this is only for the freshers who are available to join immediately. And if you will get selected, then you have to sign a bond of 2 years. And due to COVID-19 pandemic, we will be working from home, and one situation will overcome, you have to report at Pune office. And the offer package for this position is fixed, which is 3 LPA. So they are offering a CTC of 3 LPA, and you have to just click on here agree, and then you can just proceed further. So in next pages you will you have to fill all the information such as your name, your email ID, your mobile number, your address, all the educational qualification details, and you have to upload your passport size photo and your CV. So fill all the information correctly and upload all the documents they will ask you to upload, and finally just you can submit this form. So in this way you can apply for this opportunity from Thinkitu Technologies. So I hope you guys like this video. I have mentioned all the things one should know before applying for this opportunity, and we also saw how one can actually fill the registration form for this opportunity. So if you like this video, please don't forget to share this video with your fellow friends who are looking for good opportunities, and please don't forget to subscribe to Fresherbee, as I come up with these kind of opportunities on a very regular basis. So please subscribe to Fresherbee, and if you came across any type of queries while applying or filling the form, or any other kind of doubt, then please feel free to ask all those queries in the comment section below. I will reply to all your queries ASAP, and we'll meet in the next video with one more such latest opportunity. Thank you.